Let's now plot the points from our table of values. We're going to be using Geometry Sketchpad again. To plot points in Geometry Sketchpad, we'll click on Graph, and then click on Plot Points. Let's go back to our table and look at our first point. Our first point is negative 5, 5. Negative 5 on the x is here, and 5 on the y value is here. So our point of negative 5, 5 will be located here. Negative 5, 5. And there it is. Let's look at our next point. Negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0. Notice it is at 0 on the y-axis and at negative 4 on the x-axis. Our next point is negative 3, negative 3. There it is. It's at negative 3 on the y-axis and negative 3 on the x-axis. Next, we'll plot negative 2, negative 4. Negative 2, negative 4. Again, negative 2 on the x-axis, negative 4 on the y-axis. Our next point is negative 1, negative 3. There it is. You can see that the graph is now beginning to go back up to create our U shape or a parabola shape. This is likely, this point at negative 2, negative 4, this point is likely the vertex or the minimum value for this graph. Let's look at our next point. 0, 0, comma, 0. 0, comma, 0 is at the origin, where the x-axis and y-axis meets. There it is. Finally, 1, comma, 5. And there we are. So we've plotted our graph. We've plotted our points. The next thing we're going to do is look at the rest of the points that could be on this graph. To do this, we're going to draw the rest of the graph by inputting a new function. Here we're going to input the expression for our graph. This is the expression, the quadratic expression y equals x squared plus 4x. F of x is equal to, remember f of x is the same as saying y, x to the power of 2, or x squared, plus 4x. Okay, so we've inputted our expression, or our function. Now what we're going to do is we're going to plot the function. As you can see, when we plot the function, the graph, or the points that we plotted, line up perfectly on our graph.